Mark Cuban, what's the metaverse?
The dumbest. Did I say it was dumb? No, that's not strong enough. Super meta, immaculately dumb.
Did Mark Cuban really say this is the dumbest stuff ever? The billionaire investor and owner of the Dallas Mavericks recently shared his opinion on a specific type of real estate, and this is the metaverse real estate. In a recent interview with the Altcoin Daily YouTube channel, Cuban had some strong words for those who invest in metaverse real estate. He referred to people buying real estate on platforms like Sandbox and Decentraland as the dumbest ever. Yikes. That's gotta hurt for anyone who has invested in virtual real estate. Cuban went on to explain that while concepts in metaverse real estate may be successful after a community is formed around them, they are useless when based on traditional real estate approaches before concept is proven. So it seems like the billionaire thinks that investing in virtual real estate is not worth the risk. I don't think so either. I haven't bought in any. But wait, don't give up on the idea of investing in real estate just yet. It's not just for the wealthy anymore. New companies have made it possible for individual investors to get involved with the housing market for as little as only $100. Who knows, you might end up making millions. Now let's talk about metaverse platforms like Sandbox. These platforms allow investors to buy land as NFTs, which can be developed with virtual buildings or experiences, or resold on secondary markets like the NFT exchange OpenSea. The idea of owning virtual real estate might sound a bit silly, but hey, people are making money out of it.
I'm really rich.
However, according to OpenSea, Sandbox land down 81.82% from its January 22 peak. That's a big drop, my friend, and it seems like the hype surrounding this digital universe is fading away. And take note, trading volume is at its peak was 9.5 million, but today, take a guess. As I'm making this video, trading volumes are now only 200,000. So is investing in virtual real estate a risky move? It sure seems like it, but wait, there's a catch. It may be risky, but virtual land may be a viable investment for brands like Adidas and Nike looking to build social experiences. But it's still more of a risky crypto asset than it is anything similar to investing in physical real estate. And as Cuban said, who is still a vocal supporter of crypto and other Web3 technologies, the metaverse is still more talk than anything. Although metaverse real estate is not doing well at the moment, the idea of the metaverse as an emerging virtual world where people can shop, hang out with others, and play is still intriguing to many. That's why companies like Sandbox and Decentraland sell digital plots of land to users who could buy, sell, or lease these spaces, or use it to build virtual structures. In theory, what gives metaverse land value is the same two principles of physical real estate: scarcity and location. However, that may not apply to metaverse land, as you can't artificially introduce scarcity. There is absolutely no way. So what's the real secret to making millions in the metaverse real estate? Well, drumroll please. There isn't one. It's all candy-coated BS. Sorry to disappoint you folks. It's dying hype. Just like the famous NFT game Axie Infinity before, it's still there, but it's dead. And as Cuban pointed out, investing in virtual real estate, it's a risky move. And it's not like buying physical real estate where you could see the property and assets assess its value. It's the metaverse. The value of the property is entirely subjective and could fluctuate depending on the trends and popularity of the platform. Plus, investing in virtual real estate is not for everyone. It might seem like an exciting opportunity to make you some money for sure because of the insane returns, but in reality, it's like you're donating money to programmers. It's like a pyramid scheme. If you're really serious about investing in real estate, physical properties are the way to go, man. And don't believe me? You look at this white hair. It's proof of how I made millions. Bought cars and Lambos, not to brag, but to inspire. But if you're really feeling adventurous, go ahead and give virtual real estate a try. Who knows? You might end up making millions and prove me wrong and Mark Cuban wrong.